How you guys doing? This is very important in reference to the laws and procedures of courts and history. Now, everybody knows that the government has endangered my life several times with their fabrications, their lies, their accusations, the fact that they kidnapped me from my mother and father's mansions, the fact that they have abducted me before, the fact that they had raped me before, physically assaulted me before. Why hasn't the courts ever provided any monies to me? Even when there's court cases against government that are factually documented in reference to violators, knowing that it's been an endangerment to my life and in reference to public, me going out in public, people have tried to kidnap me, people have tried to do things to hurt me, people have tried to do things to hurt me. And does it say how many bodyguards I was supposed to have? Is that on record? Because there needs to be a website of all the people that claimed they were bodyguards of mine or my mother and father. Both, people that claim to be bodyguards of my parents, people that claim to be bodyguards of me. They're messing with my mouth when I'm talking. The satellite man's trying to play games, trying to play motor mouth tricks, aren't you, government man? You have to get prosecuted for that too. I'm not your puppet. I'm not your child. I'm not your property. I'm not part of your organization, dirty government man, either. But, in reference to public endangerment or private endangerment or the fact that my parents got murdered by dirty government, and the government and the courts have never provided me with even one red cent. Do you understand that? They have never given me no monies, no human rights monies, no lawsuit monies, no benefit monies. I've never received nothing. So the courts need to get evaluated in reference to that type of subject of information. And the timeline. These people harassing me a long time ago, I was supposed to get paid back then too. Never got paid nothing. Then they thought they would terrorize and harass me to force me to have to bitch and complain about them, where then they would try to make up more lies to slander my parents' character or to slander my character. That's even more lawsuits. See, in reference to procedures of law and endangerment, the courts are obligated to provide me with money. I'm not the criminal. I'm the victim. My parents was victimized by these people. Check the information. Procedures of law. You might not find it in your simple law book. It might be in a more detailed law book. Or ask an attorney in the court system. Reference to public endangerment or stalkers of government stalking me or harassing me. The procedures of law in reference to government trying to outnumber me, government trying to hurt me, government trying to tamper with my jobs, government tampering with employment, government tampering with my career, government physically assaulting and mutilating teeth and body parts. Look up the information. Look up the information in reference to payments that I was supposed to have received from the courts and monies and procedures of violations of government agents. You guys are going to have to sue the insurance companies of the court system or something. Well, that's more destitute time. That takes more time too, doesn't it? That'd be murder charges against the courts and the government, along with other people that have violated my rights.